guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. I know I don't go on here very often, and but I have been meaning to do this kind of repeat of picking the giveaway winner. I know it's September, and I know that my giveaway was July, and I picked a winner in the beginning of August. Unfortunately, the person that I picked never got around to emailing me or messaging me here on YouTube, and so I figured I will pick another one. And so the person that I picked from all of the comments would be April Carey. That's April, April, and then the last name is Carey, Cary. If that is you, congratulations, and you get my little stash of giveaway products that I had been meaning to share with someone. And if you could just message me here on YouTube, or you can email me at graceelainetolman@yahoo.com. That's GraceElainetolman @yahoo. So if you could message me soon, I will be happy to mail you my my giveaway prize. So for everybody else that have subscribed and keep on watching, I so appreciate it. I hope that I'll have more time to do these videos. I'm not a very confident video, my face in the video. I'm not that confident, but I will try. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave in the comment section below, and watch out for some videos this month, because I still have a few process videos lined up and my monthly celebration, and hopefully I'll get a series going this month as well. So I will catch you guys another day, and congratulations to April. And I'll see you guys. Bye.